So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get in and you're going to hold this until your window goes all the way up. But you don't want to use the auto function, so don't use the auto function. Just hold it until it goes all the way up, and don't release it until it goes all the way up. Then you can release it. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna press and hold the window regulator reset switch. Then when you're holding this, you're gonna press down and hold the window regulator switch until the window is fully open. And so don't use the auto open thing again. And do not release the switches before the window is, fully open. Release the reset switch and then lift up and hold the window switch until the window is completely closed again. And don't use the auto function again. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna open the door to release the switch, and the glass should go partially down. So to open the door, since your door is like this, you're gonna use the one with the little ball on the end. And there it goes. And I have the auto function where I can go all the way up and the window doesn't bounce back down. Just like that.